I'm just about to share with you my own strategy to make money online. Look at this screenshot right here. In only 1 week, you can make up to $1,000 or even more if you focus on today's strategy, because I will share with you all of the steps that you need to follow, all of the materials. It's completely free, it doesn't require for you any money, and if you are just a complete beginner, it will work for you perfectly, because all what you need to do is copy and paste my strategy on your own account, and you will make this money. And I hope it's gonna work for you as well, like it's worked for me. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, this screenshot is from a website where you can make money by sharing links. Yes, it's not like this shortener websites links that you just share links, and for each 1,000 clicks you get something like $3. Look, we have right here only, as you can see right here, 4,000 clicks and we have $1,000. It's not like this websites where you have to get hundreds of thousands of clicks to get that much of money. No, or even you can do that much of money just with 1,000 click or even 500 clicks. I know what I'm talking about, and keep watching this video till the end. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and as well make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so this way you support me to upload more content in many different strategies and ways that you can apply as a complete beginner to start making money online. So let's get started. So as I said, this screenshot is from our website, which is this one right here. I just created a brand new account. It's really easy. All what you need is your email, your name, your birthday, and your password, and you will have an account right here in this platform in something like 5 minutes. It's easy to set up. So as you can see right here, this platform is about offers. As you can see right here, I have my offer. So offers is some promotions from some companies and advertisers that they are trying to collect data. So these companies are actually creating contests, as I said, and sweepstakes. So in case if you want to join the sweepstake or the contest, you need to enter your informations, and then they will see, or they will choose one to win, for example, credit cards, free credit cards, or money, or something like $500, £500 this Coke gift card, and all of this stuff. I'm sure you have seen some this kind of offers in the internet before, and I think other people are actually targeting you with this kind of offers and asking you to complete these offers in case if you want to participate in this contest right here, or in this sweepstakes. But in today's video, we're gonna be using these offers to make that much of money, and I will share with you how you can do it as a complete beginner. So you don't need to invest any money on advertisements. You don't need to pay anyone any money. All what you need to do is using this website with this website right here, which is an SMS panel. So first we need to pick an offer right here. Here is how the strategy will work for you, or how or this is actually what you need to do, to follow, in case if you want this strategy to work for you. So first we need to choose an offer. So once you create an account right here on CPABUILD.com, you will have a list of offers that you can use to make money. So for example, let's take this one as an example. So let's click on this one, which is the HBO Max offer. Once I click on it, you can see that start new to HBO Max. Oh, it's in a different language. I don't know why, because it's for United Kingdom, but they are speaking English. Whatever. So as you can see right here, this is my link. So once you click on copy link, I will use this link right here. As you can see, you will have your own link, your own unique link on your account. In each offer you will have your own link on it, so you just need to copy it and to share it with others. But in this video I will share with you the smartest strategy that you can use this link with to make money, in limited amount of money actually. So once you click and copy this link, now we need to start contacting people, and and asking them to complete this offer. So if someone complete the offer by his informations, right? You just need to do a credit card submit. You will get $20.70, which is amazing. Imagine if you get only 10 people to complete this offer a day, you will make something like $200 a day just with 10 people. Imagine how much people we have in this planet. Billions of people, and we need only 10 people per day to make $200 a day. I will share with you how you can get these people and what you have to say, what you need, or what is the strategy that you need to follow in case if you want to make these people complete the offer for you to make this money. So as I said, we will use two websites. So this one, we know that this is the website or the CPA platform that we're gonna use to get these offers from and to get our links to share in case if we want to make money. But why we need the second website? Well, so this website, or in the internet we have many different websites like this one, and this is SMM panels, which is social media marketing panels. So what we're gonna do is just create an account right here on this website and click on sort by, right, and go to TikTok views, because we're gonna use our TikTok followers, because we're gonna be using TikTok platform. So as you can see, you can buy TikTok followers for 45 cents per each 1,000 follower. Well, so why we need these followers and why we need to buy them? I mean, what is the relation between this platform or these offers and this platform right here? Well, we need to start contacting people, and we will ask them, hi, if you are interested in free followers, I am able to give you 1,000 followers completely for free just by something like joining our contest, or just by joining this webstake, or just by completing this survey. Alright, because this is a survey for sweepstakes, right? As you can see right here, he need to enter his information and answer some questions if he need to complete this offer. So it's a survey. So you will start contacting people, actually people that are interested in growing their TikTok accounts. So you will say, and you know, the secret is to give them 100 followers completely for free at the beginning, just to grab the attention of the person and just to get his trust, because you say, okay, I will show you that you know, I'm actually able to give you free followers, right? And before doing nothing, just say, as a proof, I will send you 100 completely for free, and if you are interested to get 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000, just let me know and I will show you what you need to do to get 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 followers. And once you send 100 free followers to this person on TikTok, right, he will get amazed, or he will know that you are actually knowing what are you talking about. So then he will trust you and he will say, okay, I want these free followers, who doesn't, right? So then you will say, okay, in case if you want to get an extra 1,000 or 2,000 free followers on TikTok, I need you to complete a survey, right? And you will get this link right here. Okay, for example, let's say this one. Where is the $20 offer? Okay, so you will grab this link right here and you will share it with this person and say, okay, just complete this this survey right here and share with me a screenshot, and once I verify or I make sure that you complete this survey, I will send you the 10,000, or you know, it depends on you how much money you wanna reward him, right? So this is how the strategy works, and you just need to contact only something like 20 people, and if only 10 people from this 20 complete the offer, you will make $200 per day. So that was the strategy in this video. I hope you like it. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up. See you on the next video.